Use of camel rennet extract, manufacture of mixed fresh cheese and its quality. To solve the problem of camel milk coagulation and to diversify the products based on this milk, this study targets the manufacture of fresh cheese by adding the goat milk to camel milk with 50% VV. The use of camel rennet extract as a biocoagulant appears interesting in this milk mixture. The camel rennet was extracted from the abomasum of a 7-month-old dromedary. This extract in the freeze-dried form was recommended compared to the liquid form. The study of the optimization of the quantity to be added to the mixed milk based on the cheese yield and texture was 0.2 grams per liter. In addition, the use of a blend of mesophilic and thermophilic starter cultures was also recommended in the improvement of the acidification of the mixed milks. The quality of the fresh cheese obtained was approved at the physicochemical level by a good protein retention with 36.26 plus or minus 1.75% per dm. Texture profile analysis revealed a cohesiveness of 0.32 plus or minus 0.01 mm and a springiness of 14.25 plus or minus 0.63 mm. The microstructure showed that the resulting cheese had numerous and large pores. FTIR analysis monitors the physicochemical composition, and X-ray diffraction analysis revealed a non-crystalline structure of the cheese. On the sensory scale, the panelists preferred the cheese coagulated with the freeze-dried camel rennet with a score of 9/15. Finally, this study has proven the effectiveness of using camel rennet in cheese-making technology based on camel milk. Introduction. Camels, often called ships of the desert, are essential to pastoralist communities in arid regions, offering transportation, meat, and particularly milk, which is a vital food source. Camel milk is rich in nutrients like calcium, magnesium, vitamins, and antibacterial proteins, making it a valuable resource for the food industry. However, making cheese from camel milk is challenging due to its unique coagulation properties. Recent research has explored different methods for coagulating camel milk, including using plant extracts and enzymes from the abomasum of camels and other ruminants. Some studies have also focused on combining camel milk with goat milk to make cheese. This study aims to compare two coagulation methods for producing fresh cheeses from camel and goat milk and to analyze the cheese's physicochemical, sensory, mineral, and microstructural properties. Conclusion. This study investigated the use of freeze-dried camel rennet extract FDCR in the cheese-making process of camel-goat milk mixtures. The research focused on the amount of FDCR required for coagulation. The resulting fresh cheese showed good yield and protein retention. When combined with mesophilic and thermophilic starter cultures, FDCR produced cheese with distinct textural and microstructural characteristics compared to cheese made with freeze-dried camel milk coagulant FDMC. These findings emphasize the potential of camel-goat milk mixtures for cheese production, which could help industrialize both milks and address challenges like the seasonality of camel milk. Future research should explore proteolysis during coagulation to better understand the role of FDCR compared to FDMC. This important article is authored by the following scientists. you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel BP International to watch more videos in the fields of science, technology and medicine.